Okay, viewers, we have some breaking news coming in. This is the latest voter turnout. Breaking news coming in. So it's 36.69%. That's the voter turnout, which has been recorded till 1 p.m. in Haryana Assembly elections. So as of 1 p.m., Mewat has recorded the highest voter turnout. That's of 42.64%. Now that's followed by Yamunanagar at 42.08% and Jind is at 41.93%. Panchkula has recorded, though, the lowest voter turnout. That's at 25.89%. So that's the latest voter turnout which we know at the moment. We have Pragya and Manoj who are joining us live on the broadcast. Pragya is joining us live from Rewari. I'll come to you, Pragya. So we just took our viewers through the voter turnout. 36.69% voter turnout, which has been recorded till 1 p.m. already in Haryana. So it looks like voter turnout at least till 1 p.m. isn't disappointing. We're only expecting and hoping that the numbers increase as the day progresses. Take us through the type of queues you're seeing behind you, and if possible, talk to the people, help us understand the issues on which they are casting the vote today.
Well, Meenakshi, I would tell you that people are coming out in huge numbers, and obviously this percentage is going to increase. And in fact, many of the leaders we have spoken to are saying that this is because this is the region, we are standing in south of Haryana. This is the region where Bajra is going to be cut in the fields, and that is why the percentage was lower in the morning. And in fact, people had gone to field, and they will be coming out in the evening after having their lunch, and the percentage will gradually increase. Majority of the leaders, in fact, have told us that there are going to be the percentage is going to be touching 70%. Last time, remember, 2019 assembly election, the percentage was 68.20. So the Haryana actually is a state where people are politically very conscious. They come out in huge number to elect their representative, and they're a bit serious about that as well, and they take out time to do that. We will see that percentage will gradually increase, is everyone is hoping right now. And this is particularly the reason why caretaker CM Mr. Naib Singh Saini had appealed that there should be 100% voting turnout in every area in Haryana as well. So the fact is that this is agrarian state. Majority of the people are engaged in agrarian economy, and they are out in the fields. They will be coming later on, and it takes time to collect the numbers, and for the numbers to reach to the State Election Commission as final numbers, it also takes time. So we should wait for some time till the last vote is casted by the voters, which the time is 6 p.m. And we will see the percentage will increase gradually, and many of them are taking, in fact, many of the leaders are taking stock of the situation and number of votings, and they're obviously making the calls to all the people in the booth, saying that you need to take out voters if they are there in the homes. You should tell them that they should come to the booth and cast their vote. This exercise is right now going on at a majority of the MP's residence, because it is also their responsibility to show that their area has done well. Obviously, they are also talking to many of the state leaders who have been given responsibility of the booths. So this exercise we have already seen with our own eyes. That exercise is still going on, and that at least BJP is ensuring and trying to find out why the voter turnout in the morning was low, and they are ensuring that people on the booth are going door to door and asking people to vote.